In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set game launch options on Steam. By the end, you'll know exactly where to find launch options, what they do, and how to apply them safely so your games start the way you want, every time. First, open the Steam client and log into your account. You don't need to touch anything sensitive here, just sign in as you normally would. Once Steam is open, head to your library. This is where all of your games are listed, and it's the starting point for changing settings for any specific title. Find the game you want to adjust and right-click it. A small menu will appear. Choose Properties from that menu. This opens a new window dedicated to settings for that particular game, and it's where we'll make the change. Inside the Properties window, make sure you're on the General tab. This is usually the first tab you'll see, and it contains a text box labeled Launch Options. This box tells Steam to apply special instructions every time the game starts. Click into the Launch Options box and type the commands you want to use. If you're entering more than one, separate them with spaces. For example, some commonly used options include things like full screen to force full screen, windowed to open in a window, novid to skip intro videos on certain games, or high to request higher process priority. Not every command works for every game, so it's a good idea to check the game's official documentation or community guides to confirm which options are supported for that title. Think of this box like a power user shortcut. It's simply passing parameters to the game at launch. When you're done, you don't need to hunt for a save button. Just close the Properties window. Steam saves these changes automatically, so nothing else is required here. The next time you launch the game, Steam will apply the settings you entered. If the game doesn't behave as expected after adding a command, maybe it crashes on start or the display isn't right, just return to the same Launch Options box and remove or adjust the entries. Leaving the box empty returns the game to its default behavior. It's a safe, reversible way to tweak performance, display modes, or startup behavior without digging through in-game menus. That's all there is to it. Thanks for watching.